In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own presets in Lightroom. This is a great skill to have, whether you're a professional photographer looking to streamline your editing process or a hobbyist eager to give your photos that extra touch. Let's dive into it and simplify your workflow together. First, you're going to open up Lightroom. If you're not already familiar with it, Lightroom is part of Adobe's suite of creative tools and is perfect for editing and managing your photos. Once you have it open, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Develop module. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to make all the adjustments that will be included in your preset. After entering the Develop module, pay attention to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see the preset section, which is crucial for organizing and accessing the presets you create. This section is essentially your library of artistic adjustments that can be applied to your images with a single click. Next, look for the small plus sign located near the preset section. Click this plus sign. This is your gateway to creating a new preset. When you click it, a menu will pop up. Select Create Preset from the options. This action will open up a window that allows you to define and save your unique preset settings. Within this window, you'll need to assign a name to your preset. Be creative or descriptive, whatever helps you remember what sort of look the preset achieves. Along with naming your preset, you can choose which group you'd like it to be stored in. This is particularly useful if you end up creating multiple presets for different styles or occasions. Keeping them organized will save you time later. Now comes the fun and creative part, fine-tuning your settings according to your preferences. Adjust exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. Essentially all the settings you typically tweak to achieve just the right look for your photos. Lightroom gives you the flexibility to customize everything from color balance to sharpness in this step. Take your time, experiment with the sliders, and watch your adjustments transform the image until everything looks just perfect. Once you're satisfied with the settings, it's time to save your work. At the bottom of the window, you'll see a Create button. When you click it, Lightroom will save this collection of settings as a preset that you can easily apply to other photos in the future. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you can create personalized presets in Lightroom, streamlining your editing process and ensuring consistency in your photo aesthetics. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this newfound skill as useful as I do. Happy editing!